upon a time in the depths of this ocean, there lived a group of sea dinosaurs who were known for their curiosity and creativity. These dinosaurs were the dinosaurs roamed the vast water with a sense of wonder and adventure. One bright morning, a young Aquasaur named Finny woke up delighted for exploration. He swam up to his friends, splashed with plesiosaur and bubbles the ichthyosaur, and shared his idea that embark on a journey to discover the mysterious sunken city we had heard tales about. Splash and Bubbles exchanged eager glances, thrilled by the prospect of an unknown city hidden beneath the waves. Together, they set out on their adventure, their fins ready to throw the water with determination. As they delved deeper into the ocean, they encountered dazzling coral reefs and colorful fish, but their curiosity led them forward until they stumbled upon the entrance to the sunken city. Towering structures of ancient ruins loomed before them, covered in seaweed and burlesque. With each discovery, their curiosity grew, and they realized that the world beneath the surface was full of endless wonders waiting to be explored. Together, they vowed to always be curious and creative, never afraid to dive into the unknown. And so, with a heart full of adventure, the Aquasaurs continued their journey, eager to uncover more mysteries of the deep sea. For in their world, curiosity